Big news today from Lincoln Public Schools. It's changing its schedule for the next 3 weeks due to staffing issues because of rising COVID cases. Channel 8's Ariana Martinez tells us what parents of students at LPS need to be prepared for.
Lincoln Public Schools is struggling to find substitute teachers. The district says on some days 41% of the classes could not be covered by subs and other staff had to fill in. Now their response is COVID Response Fridays, where for the next 3 Fridays, students will not be going to school.
Lincoln, our schools and our hospitals are in crisis.
So this is impacting Lincoln Public Schools in a way we've never been impacted before.
This change is mainly to help with a staffing shortage in every school.
I think they're tired. I think they're fatigued. I think it's just, everybody has to dig deep down and say, we have to push through this. Our community needs us. Our students need us.
Superintendent Steve Joel made clear this is not a day off for teachers, but a day for them and students to catch up.
In addition, this will create an opportunity for students who are home due to illness to receive additional support from teachers on those Fridays. This will allow staff to recoup valuable planning time that they've consistently been losing due to having to cover classes Monday through Thursday.
LPS is seeing absences in every area, not just from teachers.
We're experiencing challenges at every position: teachers, paraeducators, nurses, counselors, social workers, psychologists, transportation personnel, nutrition services, custodial, office support staff, administrators, campus security, and all of the other support positions that help run a school safely and a district safely.
Having students stay home during the week causes stress for some families. Jonalyn told us on Facebook, single parents and remote learning is not something that is possible for a lot of people. I'm just in a position where remote will not work at all, and I will be out of work. Then what? And Alicia says, I absolutely love it. More time with my kids.
No, we didn't anticipate this. We expected this to be a normal year.
Joel says this wasn't an easy decision, but they need to do what they can to keep students in school.
No secret to anybody listening to this webinar, there's several thousand schools that are closed across the country that have not been able to keep their schools open. We have, and that of course, means that we're going to have to address the kinds of things that we're addressing right now.
Superintendent Steve Joel mentioned that they're working with the public health department to get COVID tests on campus for nurses to use. He also mentioned teachers are practicing with their students in case they do have to go 100% virtual. Reporting in Lincoln, Ariana Martinez, Channel 8 News.